Someone sent you a B64 file and it looks like random characters when you open it. This is an encoded file that needs one simple step to become usable again. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to quickly decode these Base64 encoded files. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional B64 file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. B6.4 files are Base64 encoded files where binary data has been converted to ASCII text using the Base64 encoding scheme for safe transmission through text-based channels like email. They contain encoded representations of any file type, including documents, images, executables, and archives that must be decoded to restore the original binary content. B6.4 files use the Base64 encoding alphabet of 64 printable ASCII characters, AZAZ09+, and / with equal sign padding. The encoding converts every 3 bytes of binary data into 4 ASCII characters, increasing file size by approximately 33%, while ensuring safe transit through text-only communication channels. Notepad++ is the standard set by Don Ho for accessing the B64 format. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows may detect the file type but not its data, so proper viewing requires authorized decryption tools. We need to check all possibilities. Right-click the B64 file and select Open With. If Notepad++ is there, use it. If not, choose a different program. It's often a simple matter of finding the right software hook. If you are still having trouble opening the B64 file, do not worry. Understanding the technical vulnerability of the B64 format is key. Here are the most common reasons why you're seeing this system error. First, decoding on Windows. Use the built-in certootle command in Windows command prompt. Run certootle, decode input file, B64 output file, to decode the Base64 content back to its original binary form. Identify the expected output file type from context or sender information and apply the correct extension to the decoded output file. Next, using online decoders. Visit base64decode.org or a similar trusted online decoder. Upload or paste the B64 file content and download the decoded binary output. For sensitive files, prefer offline decoding methods to protect data privacy. Verify the decoded file opens correctly in the application associated with its original file format. Finally, decoding with Python. Open a terminal and run a quick Python command. Python, C, import base64, open, output, WB, write, base64, B64 decode, open, input, B64, RB, read, replace the file names as needed. This approach works across all platforms and handles large files efficiently without installing additional software or relying on web services. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.